In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make YouTube Shorts using Canva, and we're going to do it all in just 5 minutes. Before we dive into this creative process, make sure you're logged into Canva and ready to explore the exciting world of video creation. First things first, open Canva in your web browser. Once you're on the home page, head over to the search bar at the top of the page. Here, type in YouTube Shorts and hit enter. This simple search will lead you to a variety of templates specifically designed for creating vertical videos that fit perfectly as YouTube Shorts. After you hit enter, you'll be presented with a wide selection of templates. Don't worry if you feel a bit overwhelmed by the choices. Take a moment to scroll through and find one that matches the style or theme you're aiming for. Remember, the template you choose will set the tone for your video, so pick one that aligns with your message or the brand image you want to convey. Once you've found a template that catches your eye, click on it. This action will open up a larger preview along with an option to customize this template. Go ahead and click that option. This is where you start to weave your personal touch into the creation. In the customization screen, you'll see that you can edit the text. Click on any text box to change the wording to whatever suits your content best, whether it's an intriguing title, some captivating captions, or key points you wish to highlight. You also have the option to change the images. Simply click on the image placeholder to replace it with one of your choice, or even upload your own bespoke images. While editing and customizing, you might realize you want to add more than the existing content allows. No problem at all, simply click the plus icon at the bottom of the page to add a new page to your project. This is a great way to extend your video, include additional messages, or even create a series of engaging slides within the same short. Keep in mind that adding new pages will increase the overall duration of your video. Pay attention to how long each page is, or adjust it according to the length requirement you find suitable for your YouTube short. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you're ready to design fabulous YouTube shorts with Canva. Tweak the elements as you wish, play around with different fonts and colors, and let your creativity shine through. When you're satisfied with your edits, download your project and upload it to your YouTube channel. Don't forget to share it with your audience to get the most out of your creative work. Enjoy experimenting and keep creating.